Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important Java interview question. Can you make an instance of an abstract class? You have an abstract class in your application. Can I instantiate that? That means, can I use new operator and try to instantiate it? No, you cannot make an instance of an abstract class. An abstract class has to be subclass. Abstract class is meant for to be subclassed. If you have an abstract class and you want to use a method which has been implemented, you may need to subclass that abstract class, instantiate your subclass. In the real scenario, we will be having an implementer or other specific classes or the concrete classes which will extend from this abstract class. Then you can call that method. So I have an abstract class here, okay, which is marked as abstract, and it has an abstract method, and this abstract class can also have some other private methods or public methods. It can have any other methods, not a problem. This abstract class as an abstract methods, this line means subclass. It should have a child class or a concrete class which has to give the specific implementation for this method that is expected for an abstract class. So I have written a small class which is extending this abstract class, and they are giving the implementation for that method. So if I remove this, what will happen is it will give an error. It will say you are extending an abstract class. It has a method, there is no body for this, and the compiler is expecting an implementation for that class. Say if for that method. So if I do this, it will give you it will remove the compiler error, and it will give a empty body for that particular method. So you can't instantiate an abstract class, because if you try to do that, you will get a compiler error. Cannot instantiate the type abstract class. I just want to explain you. So you have an abstract class called, for example, account. In the real world scenario, you don't have a real object like account. Either you have savings account or current account. Account is like just to categorize these we are having in the real world. There is a name called account. In the coding perspective, what exactly happens is there might be common behavior between these two, current savings account and current account in the coding perspective. So I will move all the common code to account class, and there are specific things to current account. For example, balance. Current account balance should be minimum $10,000, and savings account say $1,000. So there are some difference between these two, but there are common behavior between savings account and current account. I will move those common behavior to account because I want to reuse the code. There should not be any duplicate code. In order to avoid the duplicate code, I am pushing all the common code between savings account and current account to the current. But you cannot directly instantiate this account, because in the real world scenario there is no such account. Okay, and one more advantage we will be getting is we will be practicing programming to an interface. So you can do like this: account is equal to new of saving account, and you can pass this account object anywhere. And if you see here, this calculate interest will have a signature like this: account. That means it can receive savings account object or the current account object. So we are able to achieve the good practice programming to an interface, and you can avoid code duplication. So this is where abstract class comes into picture, and you cannot instantiate it. So you cannot instantiate it. I am instantiating an implement subclass, and I am calling that abstract method. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.